Today we're going to take a look at 3 words that can be confusing, and it's by request. So let's take a look, shall we? The first word is A-I-S-L-E. Looks like aisle because the A and the I together should make the long A sound, but it's not. It's pronounced aisle. Aisle. Aisle? Yeah. What's an aisle? Great question. An aisle is a passageway between rows of seats in a theater or in a church or in a library. We're going to walk down the aisle. Oh, okay, like on a plane. Then, I-S-L-E is also pronounced aisle. Long I-L-E. The S is silent again. Oh, okay. What's an isle? An isle is an island or peninsula, usually a small one. Why don't we just say island or peninsula? Isle. Then we have capital I apostrophe L-L. This is a contraction and it's pronounced aisle as well. What? Yeah, aisle, but it looks like ill. No, but it's a long I with apostrophe L-L, short for I will. Oh, okay, let's review. Aisle, a passageway between rows of seats in a theater, a library, a plane, a train, a bus. Isle, an island or peninsula. An aisle, short for I will. Why does English have so many words that sound exactly the same, have different spellings, and totally different meanings? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. Sometimes as I walk down the aisle on the plane, I'll see an aisle through the window. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with aisle, aisle, or aisle? I'll be waiting. Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.